Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook dumpling soup. Start by preparing a delicious broth, which is the heart of any great dumpling soup. You can use either chicken or vegetable stock as your base. To enhance the flavor, add aromatics like a 2-inch piece of sliced ginger, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and the white parts of 3 green onions. Let this simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Next, it's time for the stars of our soup, the dumplings. Whether you prefer store-bought or homemade, choose your favorites. Carefully drop them into your simmering broth. They'll typically cook in about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they float to the surface and appear plump. Make sure they are thoroughly cooked for the best texture and taste. Now, let's add some vibrant vegetables to our soup. Quick cooking options like 2 cups of chopped bok choy or a handful of fresh spinach work wonderfully. Stir them in during the last minute or two of cooking so they remain crisp tender. Finish by seasoning your soup with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Taste and adjust as needed for perfect balance. Finally, it's time to garnish and serve your delicious dumpling soup. Sprinkle generously with fresh chopped green onions and a 1/4 cup of cilantro for a burst of freshness. If you enjoy a little heat, a small drizzle of chili oil, about half a teaspoon, can add a wonderful kick. Serve your piping hot soup immediately and enjoy every comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.